Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for kindergarten students worksheet activity. Word building. Replace the first letter and make new words. C-O-T card. Replace the first letter. C. Replace it. You have to make your new words. O-T. First pick out this letter. First letter you can add. D-O-T. Dot. D-O-T dot. Next G. G-O-T got. G-O-T got. Next letter H. H-O-T hot. Next J-O-T. J-O-T jot. L-O-T lot. L-O-T lot. Next N. N-O-T not. N-O-T not. Next P. P-O-T pot. R. R-O-T rot. T. T-O-T tot. Dot got hot. Jot lot not. Pot rot tot. Next R-A-T rat. R. Replace the first letter. A-T at. You can add this letter. B-A-T bat. B-A-T bat. C-A-T cat. C-A-T cat. F. F-A-T fat. H-A-T hat. H-A-T hat. M-A-T mat. M-A-T mat. P-A-T pat. P-A-T pat. P-A-T pat. R-A-T rat. R-A-T rat. S-A-T sat. S-A-T sat. Bat, cat, fat. Hat, mat. Pat, rat, sat. Word building. C-A-P cap. Replace the first letter and make new words. C-A-P cap. Replace the first letter. A-P. G-A-P gap. G-A-P gap. L-A-P lap. L-A-P lap. M-A-P map. M-A-P map. T-A-P tap. T-A-P tap. N-A-P nap. N-A-P nap. Gap, lap, map, tap, nap. Next, net, N-E-T net. Replace the first letter and make new words. E-T. B-E-T bet. B-E-T bet. G-E-T get. G-E-T get. J. J-E-T jet. L-E-T. L-E-T let. M-E-T. M-E-T met. N-E-T. N-E-T net. P-E-T pet. P-E-T pet. S-E-T. S-E-T set. W-E-T. W-E-T wet. D-E-T bet. G-E-T get. J-E-T jet. L-E-T let. M-E-T met. N-E-T net. P-E-T pet. S-E-T set, W-E-T wet. Next, H-E-N hen. Replace the first letter and make new words. D-E-N den. D-E-N den. M-E-N men. M-E-N men. P-E-N pen. P-E-N pen. T-E-N ten. T-E-N ten. D-E-N den, M-E-N men, P-E-N pen, T-E-N ten. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.